We haven't had any baby ducks this morning. Oh, baby.
What you doing, Benos? Can I show them your new room? So yesterday we redid Ben's room. So that's how to do it on here. There was like a queen size bed and it went to here. And so to like go from one side of the bed to the other, you had to like jump on it and it was really hard. With Ben. So we took that out, added a twin mattress. We are going to get a rail so the bed doesn't fall off. And then we added the shelves because we took out the shelving that was right there. We kept his hooks for his feeding bag and his feral bag. Then his toy box. And then we're going to paint this wall. Put a chalkboard up because I always, at the house, I have a thing that has a list of our rescue medications, and then we can just write it down, and so then when I know somebody comes, they can see what medications he's taken. And Onos has been traveling with us, so that's been awesome because that means I've been sleeping at night. So we'll get cottons, and then I want to make some more signs like this says love my tribe, and we did that in Arizona, so we'll make some more. And then all of his equipment's here, which my extension cord broke yesterday, which most of the time would have been terrible. Ben loves them. He likes them quacking. Hey, hi. Yeah, for the cottons that are going to be in the living room, in the bunkhouse, and then in the living room we're going to use the blue, and then in the bunkhouse we're going to use the pink. This pink actually. And then we got this navy that's going to, as we were telling Bentley, it's going to be a tent because we're going to put it as a cotton on his bunk. So that's that. And then we got that, and I'm going to put little OVs on with vinyl. We have a Cricut, so we like to Cricut everything. So because we took out all that storage in that back room to make the bed go where all the storage is, so now we're adding storage to it. Our neighbors have been super friendly, and at least we asked them if they mind if we kept the RV in the middle of the street, not the middle of the street, but the street, while we work on it. So everyone's been super nice about it, so that's really good. We have awesome neighbors. But they took the RV to flip it around so we can open the slides to get to the back bedroom, the bunkhouse, to get everything set up. So we are in the RV. We've been redoing it the last few days, and so we're trying to figure out if something new shelf will fit there. Which that's a fireplace, which doesn't go there. It goes on this wall.
So this is exactly 12 distal bay, and 34 is right here.
So, and we have no walkway.
Yeah, but if it's a lower ending, it's feet area, not hips, you know?
Yeah, but I love now that I have a walkway. So.
Yeah.
No way.
Slides are out. I'm gonna have to push it out a little bit.
Why?
So I don't have to squeeze back here.
We'll squeeze it. So she took out this whole thing to add a bit and her storage. And that's Bentley's bunk. It's all gonna be Lego Batman when we're done.
So we are thinking about doing this enlarged room in the RV, and we wanted to know what y'all think about it. We look good with it behind us, right? Do you like this video?
Ben says ship black. Ship black.
Money with that one. I like that. Well, and then just put it at the base board. Do we turn it upside down and use it as crown molding too?
Oh, this is okay, of course you get it right on the left.
You have to kiss a few frogs.
So the wall is taken down so we can add the shiplap.
Excuse me, boss lady.
Side-by-side
Good job.
vehicles are built for this. We're built for big work, for riding
Back
alongside the
here.
herd. We're built for yes sir.
We actually have the thing open,
for every acre
the slide, so you can kind of see it better.
of the cattle try to cut.
Bentley's bonk.
Crops, new trails, and a labor of love that works every day under the Lone Star. We're built
So Ambo's working on the counters. Okay.
Painted these, and the paint just didn't stick, so we got other paint, and that still didn't work, and so we got new paint, but we just didn't paint it on top. So we have to get all this paint off, and then sandpaper it with the Ruffle sandpaper. Now I'm only gonna do this side. We're gonna take it out for a week, and we'll see how it lasts, see if it works, and if it does, then I'll redo all of the counters again.
And the shiplap wall's going good in here.
Well, with great offers on our big selection of Toyotas and Average,
Looking awesome.
you can never rely on
There's Jason working the saw. He's cutting trim. The room's coming along. So we got the cotton, the privacy cotton up since the last time. And then his Lego box came in. And then his pillowcase. So his room is done. That's just the stairs that go right here. So that's coming along. Dessert. And this is crazy looking.
Fixing to make the bed.
Shiplap! So we're just missing the piece that goes right there. Yep. But so we got tow site that we're going to be at for the next week, and we unloaded and got everything for the most part set up. So I'll give you a quick tour. Bentley's room. It's already set up with his new spot. So that's more toys, fan, bench. That's all extra baggage and stuff. You know, Ambo and Jason sleep. The table. We're playing bingo. We're gonna go on a walk and see what we can find. We got those at the dollar spot at Target. So Ben is sleeping. Jason just hung up this time. It says IOV because life is short and the world is huge. I made that one. And that says on the road again. That's Jason's bingo code. He doesn't have anything on. I'll put the free spot on for him. And then this is the room that we've been working on the most. Got the shiplap wall all done and got all of Ben's stuff. This goes in the wagon. So, this is Ben's room. My room. So, it is all done and we are ready. So, we are going to go on our scavenger hunt. So we went to IKEA to look to see what kind of couches and tables they have. So we found a couch. So we will be taking out this couch and that table and making it look more homey.
Yay! Don't mind the dirty dishes. We had today's our birthday, and I cooked a real nice meal for Laura. You know, some good old ramen noodle soup and some beanie weenies. Happy birthday!
We got the couch out, and now we're taking out the table. Y'all be careful with Bentley!
Give me, that was a little huddle, sir.
Get her, Billy!
Couch is coming together. I like how you did a good picture of my man's booty. Check out that booty.
How do you twerk with no booty?
Then there's a couch that we added.
What's the
That's very kind. I'm
So watching Christopher
But it's getting late
Robin.
and I'm very busy.
Uh,
I haven't got time to help you. Look, I'm on a
Fire,
deadline.
please.
So do you think we might just...
And then we added those cottons. And we took out half the bench. We're looking for 2 chairs to go there. And we'll reupholster that eventually. Always do that. New shower curtain. We added that for storage. I think that's all we did in here. And then the mirror. Got Amber's curtains hung. Bentley's bunk is still awesome. His blanket came in. And then we're going to add a curtain here because we just use that for extra storage. Yeah.